and I just hooked up with something, fishing with a cut piece of bluegill, and it's pulling pretty good. Yeah, I feel some weight there. It's probably 20 plus pounds. We'll see what it is here in a second. I got to keep it out of all these lines. I'm getting a little worried.
You want me to grab that other one?
Let's see. Kind of in a curious situation here. The line's getting tangled, but hopefully I can get him out. Oh yeah, feels so his head shakes. Feels like a big fish. Oh yeah, he's a big fish. Oh man. Don't come off, buddy. Get down here and...
Do you have a net?
Oh yeah, the net's in the boat, so I'm gonna have to grab him by hand, it looks like. Oh, there's the... Oh yeah, he's a good one. Just saw the weight. It's getting close. There's the bluegill head. Oh, a nice flathead, guys. Probably a 15. Oh, taking some drag. I got 30-pound monofilament on.
Do you want me to get the pole?
I'll reel in a little bit more if you want to keep filming. Alright, I gotta do this quick. Line in a knot, but... Alright, we got him. There's the bait right here. And I got a 5-0 circle. There's the bluegill head.
Nice.
Nice fish. Only here for, I don't know, 20 minutes, but a good flathead, and hopefully we catch more tonight.
Okay.
All right, guys, I just caught this nice flathead catfish. It's about 7 at night. Caught him on 30-pound monofilament, 5-0 circle hook with a bluegill head. And I was only here about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and release this guy. I'd say he's about 15 pounds. Hopefully he grows bigger into one of these 100-pound monsters that are in the Missouri, but I'll go ahead and release him. Ooh, there he goes. Soaked my legs. Good catch. Hopefully we catch more.